Hello, it's Johnny Campbell here, the Transition Man, the creator of the Promotional Product Sales Confidential newsletter and the internet TV show called Just Sell It. And this message is specifically for Dave of the Vernon Company. What we're sharing with you here is a program that Don Sanders and I will be doing called Selling's Not Black and White. And what I'd like to do here is share with you just a few snippets of what that presentation would be about. But first, there's one thing, Dave, that I think we can all agree on, is that when distributors are making more sales, increasing their business and having more fun, that's putting more money in the Vernon Company's pocket. So our focus, both mine and Don, is to help you help your distributors increase their sales, thereby increasing their productivity and growing your profit margin. Now here's one of the things that I'm going to be talking about in this sales presentation training. The biggest thing that's holding distributors back from having more sales is they suffer from what's called the ones. In other words, they've got a client in every little industry, here, 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 and here. Their problem is that they never focus in on one specific marketplace to gain a foothold in that marketplace so that they can create more business. See, most distributors think that diversity creates stability, but in reality, it is consistency in a marketplace that creates stability. So what I would focus on is helping them understand the importance of a niche and identifying niches where they can go deep and become very profitable. Because when you go deep, you become very profitable. And the best part about being deep, besides the profits, is there's predictability, stability, and there is certainty, because you understand the people that you're serving and how you're connecting with them. Now, in order for them to get that in their heads, I'll have to also talk about these other three important elements when it comes to selling in the social space or even offline. The three elements are mindset, sequence, and systems. In order to be successful in business, you have to think a certain way, do things in a certain sequential order, and then allow systems to automate the process. Most people start with systems first, and that's why the sequence is off and their thinking is bad. When you get your thinking right through sales training and education, you start to sequentially do things in a certain way, and then the systems start working for you. So I'm going to be talking about that as well. And then finally, I'm going to be talking about social media and really how a distributor can connect with future clients and customers in that social space. And one of the things we're going to talk about is how do you really make that deep connection? Well, like making that deep connection in the social space comes down to interest, connection, like, trust, and then the sale. See, most distributors don't think about selling from that context. You have to be where they're interested, create a connection, get them to like you, build trust, and then create the sale. See, when you start really honing in these fundamental areas, distributors will start to see some growth. They'll see some growth because they're going to receive some tactical advice and strategic direction on how to build and grow their business. So what I wanted to do here, Dave, was just give you a brief snippet of what's more to come should we have the opportunity to serve the Vernon Company. Once again, my name is Johnny Campbell. I am the Transition Man, and I look forward to serving the Vernon Company in the near future. You take care, and I'll see you soon.